Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Puan Nur Azlina. My name is DANISH EIMAN from class 2D. For this group project under the subject Plantation Crop 1, my team and I will be presenting about current issue and challenges in oil palm harvesting. This presentation will highlight the main problem faced during the harvesting process and introduce modern technology that can help solve this issue while promoting more sustainable and efficient plantation practices.
My name is Muhammad AIMAN HISHAM. My matrix number is 2024257512. Okay, today I'm going to talk about the importance of oil palm industry. Okay, firstly, oil palm is a major crop in Malaysia. It covers large area of land and play a central role in our agriculture sector. Secondly, the industry is a key contributor to national income. Oil palm export bring in billions of ringgit every year, helping to boost the country economy. In addition, it provides employment to thousands of workers across the country, from plantation workers and harvester of factory and logistic staff. This is make the industry important not just for the economy but also for supporting livelihood. Lastly, Malaysia oil palm industry is vital for the global vegetable oil market. We are one of the top producers in the world, supplying palm oil to countries around the globe for us in food, domestic, biofuel and more. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the key challenges in oil palm harvesting. Firstly, there is a shortage of skill level. Harvesting oil palm fruit requires experience and proper technique. Unfortunately, not many workers are trained or willing to take on this demanding task. Secondly, the process is mostly manual and physical demanding. Harvesters often have to use traditional tools to cut fruit bunches that are high up in the trees, which is exhausting and time consuming. This brings us to the next problem: slow and inconsistent yield. Due to the difficult and physical strain involved, the rate of harvesting can be inconsistent, leading to inefficiency in productivity. Another major issue is overripe fruit caused by late harvesting. When fruits are not harvested on time, they can become overripe and fall, leading to quality loss and wastage. Additionally, there's worker safety risk involved. Climbing or handling sharp harvesting tool can lead to accidents and injuries, especially in rough plantation terrain. Lastly, the inefficiency of traditional tools affect overall performance. Most of the equipment used is outdated and not suitable for modern large-scale plantation. Talk about the traditional tools used in oil palm harvesting and the limitations that come with them. In most plantations, chisel and sickles are commonly used. These tools are usually attached to long poles to reach the high fruit bunch, especially on older and taller trees. However, this method has several limitations. Firstly, it requires a lot of strength and skill. The harvester needs to control a long pole with precision, often for several hours a day, which can be extremely tired. Secondly, these tools are not suitable for taller trees. As the tree grows taller, it becomes more difficult to reach the fruit accurately, which leading to reduced efficiency. Another major issue is the risk of high fruit loss. If the sickle is not used properly, the fruit bunch may fall and scatter on the ground, damaging the fruits and lowering the quality of the harvest. These limitations show that while traditional tools have served us for decades, they are no longer practical for modern plantation demands. We need more innovative and efficient solutions to improve the harvesting process. Thank you.
Now, let's look at the first technology used to improve oil palm harvesting, which is the motorized pole cutter. This tool is powered by a small engine that comes with an attention pole that can reach up to 5.2 meters. At the end of the pole, there's a rotting blade that helps cut the fruit bunches more efficiently. Compared to traditional tools like chisel and sickle, the motorized cutter allows harvester to work faster and less physical effort. It also increases the speed of harvesting and helps reduce fatigue among workers, especially when dealing with tall oil palm trees. This makes it a practical solution for plantation facing labor, storages or low productivity. Alright, so next we have the use of drones with AI. These drones are used to scan the oil palm canopy from above, helping to monitor the plantation more efficiently. With image processing technology, the drones can detect ripe fruit bunches. This helps workers to plan their harvesting at the right time and avoid delays that can cause fruit to overripe or fall. In addition, by automatically monitoring the process, drones reduce the need for manual scouting. So it's helpful in large plantation where manual checking is time-consuming and labor-intensive. So overall, drones with AI improve accuracy, save time, and make the harvesting process more organized and productive. Alright, now let's moving on to the third technology, which is the use of ripeness and pest detection sensor. This sensor play a dual role. First, they use for ripeness detection using infrared or color sensors that can scan fruit bunches. So this helps ensure that only mature fruits are harvested, which improve oil quality and reduce wastage from immature or overripe bunches. So second point, these sensors are also effective for pest monitoring. They are usually connected to sensor networks or IoT traps placed around the plantation. This help detect the presence of harmful pests such as bagworms at an early stage. By identifying these pests early, farmers can take fast action through targeted spraying or biological control method. This reduces crops damage and prevent loss in yield. So overall, these smart sensors support both better harvesting and pest control, making plantation management more efficient and sustainable. Thank you.
This is the palm weevil. As you probably already know, this pest and her larvae can cause irreversible damage to an entire palm tree and even destroy it long before any visible markings will appear on the outside. That means that when you notice something's wrong, it's already too late to save the tree. The problems caused by the weevil are so severe that the FAO estimates around 30% of the global yield from palm trees, including coconuts, oil, dates, and even ornamental palms, are all affected by these pests. Current treatment and prevention methods fall short of providing a sufficient and all-encompassing solution to this problem. Preemptive spraying of pesticides, for example, is expensive, bad for the environment, and only 70% effective. Even sophisticated tools, such as thermal detection, cannot alert the user in time in order to save the tree or monitor the tree continually. This is where AGR and IO tree technology comes into play. Our motto, where there is no visual, there is a signal. AGR has developed a comprehensive technology that provides you with the most accurate early detection system. AGR system is very easy to install, easy to maintain, and efficient to the highest degree. We call it the IO tree. How does the IO tree sensor accomplish all of this? Well, it just listens to the tree. After the IO tree sensor is installed onto the palm tree, it begins monitoring the vibrations and noises produced in the tree. The sensor has the ability to detect a single palm weevil larva burrowing inside the palm tree, even if its total length is shorter than 1 centimeter. Once the threat is detected, the system alerts the user about the infected tree, providing him with enough time and information to choose the most efficient, cost-effective way to save the palm tree and prevent any additional harm to the palms around it. After the treatment is administered, the IO tree system will verify its effectiveness. AGR's IO tree system is scalable and works best when the entire plantation is monitored. It provides a complete 24/7 overview of your plantation condition with more than 98% accuracy, keeping the user safe and informed at all times. On top of that, by using big data from within the tree and its neighboring plantations, AGR systems can alert the user of expected weevil infestations, helping to prevent any harm done to the palms. The new IO tree system from AGR is a truly innovative and comprehensive solution to the palm weevil problem, and it is now finally available in a sensor-as-a-service, cost-effective plan, which will save you money on pesticides, removal costs, environmental damage, and loss of trees. So stop spraying healthy trees and start saving the infected.
Okay. Next, my name is MOHD SYARIFUDDIN bin ASHA'ARI. My matrix number is 2024277938. Okay, I want to talk about real-world implementation. Okay, major players in the palm oil industry, such as ZURAIDY and MPOB, are currently piloting the use of drones to improve efficiency in plantation monitoring and operation. Meanwhile, FAIZ is actively testing mechanized harvester, aiming to reduce dependence on manual labor. These technological advancements have already shown promising results, including faster harvest time, reduced fruit loss, and improved fruit quality. This shows us how smart tools can directly impact productivity and profitability in the field. Okay, next is future outlook and recommendation. Okay, looking into the future, it's important to encourage industry-wide adoption of smart agricultural tools. One major recommendation is to combine technologies like artificial intelligence, or we know as AI, Internet of Things, as known as IoT, and robotic to automate harvesting tasks. But technology alone is not enough. We also need to train workers so they can effectively use and maintain these new tools. Lastly, it's vital to support research and development for fully autonomous harvester, which could be the next big leap in plantation management. Okay, lastly, conclusion. In conclusion, the oil palm industry is still very labor intensive and inefficient in many areas. But there is a clear solution: technology. By adopting smart tools and automation, we can tackle many of the industry key challenges. This will lead to better productivity, improved safety, and higher quality output. Ultimately, the future of oil palm relies on how fast we can innovate and adopt this smart solution.